Town P and Q are 120 kilometers apart. Mr. Chan drove from P to Q and was scheduled to reach Q after 2 hours. His average speed was 54 kilometers per hour for the first 40 minutes. Question A. What's the average speed for the remaining journey if he arrived just in time? B. The time for his return journey was 2 hours and 10 minutes. Find his speed for the return journey. Find his average speed for the return journey. The whole trip. Question A. First, we need to find out the distance Mr. Chan already traveled. So, we need to find out the time he has used. Hence, I convert 40 minutes to 4 out of 6 hours. Into simplest fraction, 2 out of 3 hours. The average speed for the first 40 minutes is 54 kilometers per hour. So, in 1 hour, he would travel 54 kilometers. And that's his speed for the first 40 minutes. So, for 40 minutes using the same speed, he would travel 36 kilometers. So, we can now know the distance he will need to travel for the remaining time. So 120 kilometers divided by 36 kilometers. Then we'll find out the remaining distance. Then we'll find the remaining time. 2 hours minus 40 minutes equals to 1 hour and 20 minutes. And this is the remaining time he has to spare. He had spared. So it's 1, and I converted it into hours. So it's 1 out of 3 hours. So the answer will be 84 kilometers divided by 1 out of 3 hours, which is 36 kilometers per hour. That's the answer for A. Next, we will need to work out B. B part 1, we need to find out the average speed for his remaining journey, for his returning journey. The time taken he took 2 hours and 10 minutes to return from Q to P. Hence, I converted it into hours again, and it is 2 and 1 out of 6 hours. For the average speed, the total, so now I can find the average speed, which is the total distance divided by the total time equals to 120 kilometers, the distance between P and Q, divided by the time taken, which is 2 and 1 out of 6 hours. Then I will find my answer, which is 55 and 5 out of 13 kilometers per hour. Part 2. You will need to find the average speed for the whole journey. Hence, we need to sum up the total time taken for him to travel from P to Q and Q to P, which is 2 hours and 10 minutes, the returning journey, and 2 hours for his first journey. Then we will get 4 hours and 10 minutes, which is also equivalent to 4 hours and 1 and 6 hours. Then we need to find the total distance, which is the distance between P and Q times 2, which is 240 kilometers per hour. That's the total distance. So in order to find the answer, we will need to find out the average speed, which is total distance divided by total time, which is 4 and 1/6 hours and 240 kilometers. Hence, I can finally find my answer to part 2, 57 and 3 out of 5 kilometers per hour. Thank you for lending your ears to me. Goodbye.